Yes, greetings to you, wherever you are. My name is Robert Semwezi Masaka, the Director, Home-Based Medical Services Television, and Masaka Home-Based Medical Services International, an organization that is there to help you access medical attention while you're home. I want to welcome you to today's session on HBMS TV Talking Health, and we are going to be talking about first aid, and we are getting into our first aid series part 2, and we are going to be discussing a few things here and there. So basically, before we get started in today's session, I want to send greetings to our official sponsors, that is Mityana Institute of Nursing and Midwifery. Thank you for making sure that these programs can keep running on HBMS TV. And more importantly, I also want to send greetings to the Visionaries International. Thank you very much. But also, I want to send greetings to the crew at HBMS TV that is behind this. So basically, I'm going to be sharing with you our part 2 of the first aid series. It is good for medical students, but more importantly, it's also good for us in the communities where we live. Remember, HBMS TV Talking Health is particularly focusing on promoting good health in our communities. And now, allow me tell you that before I get started, very many people have been asking me about this product. It's called an energy pendant. Very powerful product that me and you need. It is Japanese technology, inclusive of the American technology, whereby this product here has a potential to emit invisible fumes that disintegrate bacteria, viruses. More importantly, it even helps to boost the immune system. It's a very nice product. And then I also want to talk about this product, which is called C24/7 Complete Nutrition 24 hours, 7 days a week. It is a very nice product that I use every day. You just need to open a capsule of it. If you're not a fan of capsules, you can chew. If at all you're okay with capsules, you just take. Very powerful product. It is always it detoxifies your body, cleans your body. It is a very nice product. So straight away, I want to get into today's session to discuss about the body structure and functions. When we talk about the body structure, I want to bring it to your notice that the human body is compared to a well-oiled machine, which is required to perform various functions in coordination with other systems. As in a machine, coordinated functioning is very, very essential, and no particular system can be said to be more important than the other. So it simply means if a body system one is affected or is not functioning very well, it simply means there is a problem. So therefore, every first aider who is there and you're following us, you should be familiar with various systems of the body and their functioning, so that you as a first aider, you can understand and treat any abnormalities in case of an emergency. Remember, we are getting into part 2 of our first aid series. And more importantly, I want to briefly talk about the systems. For example, we have the skeletal system. And when we talk about the skeletal system, this is your body's central framework, and it entails the bones, the connective tissues, including cartilages, tendons, and the ligaments. That is the framework, the general body network. Then I also want to talk about the muscular system, and is composed of the specialized cells called the muscle fibers. Actually, these ones, their predominant function is contractility or movement. Nearly all movements in the body is as a result of the muscle contraction. Then the other one is the cardiovascular system. This consists of the heart, blood vessels, and blood. Its primary function is to transport nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body, and then carry back the deoxygenated blood back to the lungs. That is the cardiovascular system. Then we have what we call the nervous system. Is a highly complex part of the human that coordinates its actions and sensory information. That is to do with the nervous system and sensory information by transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body, composed of organs, principally the brain. You can talk about the spinal cord, and then the nerves, and then the ganglia. That is to do with the nervous system. Now, more importantly, I also want to talk about the endocrine system. It's a complex network of glands and organs. It uses hormones to control and coordinate your body's metabolism, energy levels, reproduction, growth and development, and response to injury, stress, and the mood. That is the endocrine system. Then we can talk about the urinary system. This one consists of the kidneys, the ureters, then the bladder, and the urethra itself. So the purpose of the urinary system is to eliminate waste from the body, and then regulate blood volume and blood pressure, controls the levels of electrolytes and metabolites, and it regulates even the blood pH. That is the urinary system. Then we have the digestive system. The digestive system, it includes the mouth, the pharynx, that is the throat, the esophagus, stomach, then the small intestines. You can talk about the large intestines, then talk about the rectum, talk about the anus. It is also include the salivary glands, then the liver, the gallbladder, and the pancreas, which make digestive juices in our bodies, and enzymes that help in digestion. Then the other system is the reproductive system. When we talk about the reproductive system, it includes the male reproductive system. Then more importantly, it also includes the female reproductive system. The male is to produce the semen, then the sperms and all that. Then the female is to produce the egg, fertilization to take place, and somebody can give birth. Then we have the immune system. It is made up of special organs called the cells and chemicals that fight infections in our bodies. The main parts of the immune system are the white blood cells, the antibodies. Then we have the complement system, or the complementary system, which has the lymphatic system, the spleen, the thymus, and then the bone marrow. That is to do with the immune system. Then we have the respiratory system. The respiratory system, this is involved in breathing to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide within the body. And organs are the nose, the nasal cavity. You can talk about sinuses. You can talk about the mouth, the throat, the voice box, the windpipe, diaphragm, lungs, bronchial tubes, then bronchioles, then the air sacs, and then the capillaries. That is to do with the respiratory system. Then the other one, we have what we call the special sense organs. The organs that are specially for special senses. We have the ears, the nose, then the eyes. All these are special organs. For example, special senses have specialized sense organs that gather sensory information and change it into nerve impulses. Special senses can include the vision, that is to do with the eyes. You can talk about hearing, the ears, then the balance is also for the ears. You can talk about the tongue for tasting. Those are special organs. As I come to the end of today's sharing, I want to talk about the vital observations. You as a first aider, you must be in position to know the normal temperature, you know the normal blood pressure, you know the pulse, you know the respiration. We will be getting into details of these. You learn them in different sharings that we have at HBMS TV. But I want to say, you is out there, you just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That is HBMS TV Talking Health, so that you do not miss out. Next time we are coming up with the First Aid Series Part 3. This has been Part 2. But nevertheless, I want to send greetings to all our sponsors, including Mitiana Institute of Nursing. Thank you very much for the work you're doing. May God bless you. Have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe for more information. Thank you.